Oh no!
Good job, Mandy. Step one, put the guy together.
I got the guy's
Here,
head.
so we should take a. Somebody pick something. Like, who's gonna work on what? I'll work on the red dude.
I'll work on the guy with the snorkel.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Done.
Done!
Okay,
You're done.
hold up your instructions.
You had instructions?
We didn't have.
We didn't get
Okay,
instructions.
so whoever has your instructions, walk out in the middle of the floor and show us your instructions. So Jen, walk us through your instructions. Read us our orange book instructions that our teams often write.
You assemble the structure by putting the top on the green base. If you have any problems, see your manager.
Anybody see any issues with that?
No detail. Not so detailed.
Okay. Mandy, show us your instructions you don't need to read them.
So,
Okay.
pictures.
And then Mike,
Some assembly required.
okay? So you guys follow the picture.
Yeah.
Okay. The whole idea behind this is so the team that didn't have the instructions followed the picture, right? And the team that had the instructions over here last, oftentimes that's what the instructions look like, right? It's not fair to the incoming people that we're asking to come on board to our teams in P&A, in service, wherever they end up being. We need to be cognizant of that. And my point is, if the instructions were all combined with pictures, I think you guys could have done it faster. Especially if you've seen it once, but we're expecting somebody to come in for something so simple and be able to do it. You guys had instructions, you had instructions, they beat you. So just be thinking about that. That's all I'm asking. I think it's an important exercise to do.